Every firewall runs on a rulebook. In this video, you will learn what that rulebook is, called an access control list, who writes one, how each rule is structured, and how a firewall uses it to make a permit or deny decision. Let's start with what an access control list actually is and where it comes from. An access control list, or ACL, is an ordered set of rules that tells a firewall what to do with network traffic. Each rule specifies what traffic it applies to and whether that traffic should be permitted or denied. Think of it like a security guard at prom with a guest list. The guard checks each name and acts on the first match they find. A firewall does the same thing with network packets. Each rule ends with one of two outcomes: permit, meaning the traffic goes through, or deny, meaning it gets blocked. Who writes the rules? ACLs are written by network administrators, the people responsible for designing and securing a network. Firewalls do not generate their own rules. Every permit and deny decision traces back to a choice a human made. That means the firewall is only as good as the rules it's been given. Admins write those rules based on the organization's security policy, trying to be specific enough to allow legitimate traffic and strict enough to block what shouldn't get through. Getting that balance right is harder than it sounds. When a security breach involves a firewall, it usually isn't that the firewall broke. It's that the ACL had a gap or a misconfiguration. Understanding ACLs is understanding where that human decision-making happens. Now let's look at the anatomy of a single ACL rule and what it is actually made of. Each rule in an ACL has the same three-part format. Let's go through it. Direction. Inbound means traffic arriving at the network. Outbound means traffic leaving. Criteria. The source IP, destination port, and protocol tell the firewall exactly which traffic this rule applies to. Action. Permit lets traffic through, deny drops it. Now let's read the full ACL. Note, 0.0.0.0/0 means any IP address, and any in all caps means any port or protocol. Wildcards you'll see constantly in real ACL. Rule 1. Inbound from any IP targeting port 22 over TCP. Deny. Port 22 is SSH. This rule blocks all external SSH attempts. Rule 2. Inbound from the 10.0.1.0/24 subnet targeting port 443. Permit. HTTPS from a specific internal range is allowed. Rule 3. Outbound from any address in the 10.0.0.0/8 range, any port, any protocol. Permit. Internal hosts can send traffic out. Rule 4. Inbound from anywhere, port 80 TCP. Permit. Port 80 is standard HTTP. This allows web traffic in from any source. First match wins. This is the most important behavior of an ACL. Let's trace a packet through to see what it means. Here is a packet arriving at the firewall, inbound from an external IP headed for port 22 using TCP. The firewall opens the ACL and starts at the first rule. That rule says, inbound from any IP, port 22, TCP, deny. Is this packet inbound? Yes. Any IP? Yes. Port 22? Yes. TCP? Yes. What do you think happens? Take a second. Here's what the firewall does. First match wins. Rule 1 matches, so the packet is dropped. Rules 2, 3, and 4 are never checked. The firewall stops at the first rule that fits and acts immediately. You can have 100 rules in an ACL, but a packet that matches Rule 1 never reaches Rule 100. That's both the power and the responsibility of a well-ordered ACL. This is also why order matters so much. In a poorly ordered ACL, the wrong sequence could accidentally allow traffic that should be blocked. What if nothing matches? Let's trace this packet through the full ACL. It's inbound from an external IP on port 53 using UDP. That's a DNS request. Rule 1 is for port 22 TCP. No match. Rule 2 is for port 443 from a specific subnet. No match. Rule 3 is outbound. No match. Rule 4 is for port 80 TCP. No match. The packet reaches the bottom. Implicit deny. Most firewalls apply a built-in deny all at the very end, even if no rule is written for it. This packet gets blocked automatically. This is a deliberate security philosophy. If we didn't explicitly say it's okay, it's not okay. Firewalls use deny by default because the consequences of letting the wrong thing through are far worse than accidentally blocking something legitimate. 3 things to take away from this video. First, admins write them. ACLs are deliberate. Every permit and deny reflects a security decision made by a human. Second, order determines outcome. The firewall checks rules top to bottom and stops at the first match. The same rules in a different order can produce completely different results. Third, deny is the default. Anything that doesn't match a rule is blocked. Firewalls are permissive only where admins explicitly allow it. You've learned how firewalls use access control lists to make permit or deny decisions, what ACLs are, who writes them, and how each rule is structured, and why first match wins. Now it's your turn to apply these concepts.